What up, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram? We're going to be getting this angle over here, okay? Because this piece right here, this oak gauge track comes on an angle. I'm going to show you guys how I got the angle, okay, with my 90-degree square. Okay, we're going to be using this piece right here as a diameter. So if you put this square right here, perpendicular up here, it's going to be a 90-degree angle. It's going to be just like that, 90 degrees. So now when you got 90 degrees like that, when you tilt the square, it goes from 90, 89, 88, 87, 86. So now, on this side right here, it gives you the actual degrees. So it's 75, 76, 77 degrees. Okay? This piece right here, this track right here, it comes off 77 degrees. Right? So I got my square clamped on there. So I clamped the square on there and I put my level there. Right? This is a straight edge. So that I'm going to scribe out here with my pencil and scribe out over there with my pencil. Okay? It's going to give me that angle of 77 degrees. I'm going to explain to you how that works. If you guys can see, I got a protractor right here, okay? This is a 90-degree angle right there. This is protractor right here. That's 90 degrees. So now, when you tilt the square, it goes from 90, 89, 88. It gives you the different degrees, right? As you tilt the square, it's got to be on a pivot though, right? It has to be like this, right? The square has to be like that. And on there, see that? And that's how you get the degrees. So with this square right here, what I'm using, it's the same thing, right? You're just tilting the square like this, right? So it's right there. So now let's mark this board out. I'm not playing. I'm going to mark this board out, right? Oh. Got to be very careful too to mark this board out. Okay, let me make sure I'm up against the fence. Okay, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. We got to take a couple of precautions here. That guy is up against the wall there. That's as square as I can get. I'm square. This whole thing, I'm going to pull this whole thing up in a minute and take this piece out. It's not tacked in. Okay? I was going to run it like this, but this rail comes out. So this thing is going to come out 77 degrees. So it'll come this way. I got to take this piece off and extend it. Okay, so let's mark this guy out. Let's mark that guy out over there. See, I got to take this piece off. It's not on there. Goes in there, the tenon's over there, okay? Okay. Put the square up over there. Okay. Now I took them up. All I'm going to do is when I take this piece, I'm going to line it up over here, okay? Just parallel with those two lines over there, okay? I could measure the thickness over here is 2.5. Don't worry, we're gonna get together. I'm getting ready to take this whole piece up. Okay? Just want a pivot point over there, okay? Take this whole piece up. And like I told you, I gotta put another brace over there. This guy is not glued in. I'm getting ready to pull this guy off. I'm going to put him on the bed in a minute here. Here. Oh man, that's beautiful. This guy. Oh man, this is excellent. Get out of there. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, good. I can put them right back over here. Okay. Okay. This board is not long enough. I just marked it out. To line it up with this and this. I'm going to extend this board. The way that I design these pieces, I can easily extend this. Actually, I'm just pop this off right now. This guy, okay, which way am I going? We're going to keep the same orientation. This guy was this way. Okay, we're going to spin this guy over this way. Right? None of this guy. I just had this guy up. Okay. Okay, this guy's not glued in anyway, okay? I'm going to extend this rail. This guy's going like this. Okay? Guy lines right up. Where's my thing there? This guy lines right up there, okay?